Alright, once again I welcome you to Pure Joy Guitar Consult. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you are going to use the first letter of your name to design a simple logo. The first letter of your name. If your name is Portia, you use P. Or maybe your brand. Maybe it is you have Isaku's fashion design. So Isaku I, you use I. Good. So what you're going to do is that first, I told you anytime you open this, you have to delete the new text. So to delete it, you come here. This is the icon for deleting. You tap on that icon, then you select OK. It's gone. Now you have to start. You tap on this plus sign. So when you tap on the plus sign, this is what pops up. You select text. Then this text, you hold it and drag it down here to the middle. Then you double tap on it to edit. Or you come and select A down here so that these tools will appear. Then you tap on what? Edit. Because I say A that will use editing text. So you erase everything. Mine is Pure Joy. So I'll use P. It's Pure Joy Digital Console. So P. Select OK. So now this P, you can increase it by using, you come here size. You open it, housing it. So, or if you don't want that one to, you can hold this part of it. This part, housing it. You see it will turn to blue if I hold it. I say I turn to blue. Then you can use that one to open it or to increase or reduce it. Good. So now let's take that we like this size okay for us. So let's go to font. You go and look for a nice font for it. This font. And please, as you're selecting the font, be checking here. Any font you select, the P will change to that font. So when it gets to the one that you like, you select it. So let me see. Mine. Okay, this font is okay for me. Chunk 5. So P is there. So I have to change the color of the P. Let me change the color to black. To black. Good. I'm good to go now. Wasn't it? So now I'll place the P well. Let me use relative position. You see it? So I told you, you have to use the two. These two, you have to use them. You tap on the two of them. Tap on this one too. So now I've gotten my P. So let me go and lock my P. So if I tap on this thing, as I told you, if you want that thing to pop up, you tap on this one. So I'll lock my P by tapping on the padlock. I've locked my P now. So now I'll go and select the plus sign. Then select shapes. Then I'll come and tap on this. Anytime I want to select different kind of shape, just come and tap on this. So I tap on it. Select circle. I want a circle. I'll open it. Hold one edge of it. Open it. Then I'll now, you see that down here, there's no tool there for me to edit the circle. You see, it's only text and what? Quote. Because it is on the A. That is why, look at it. The A that is highlighted. So this one is not highlighted. So, and that is why we use editing what? Shapes. So we have to tap on that one. See, now the icons have appeared. So I'm going to place it to a relative position. I say use the two. This one first, then this one. I've used the two now. So now I'll change the color. Change the color. Enable it. So when you enable it, red that will come because it will come red. So you now go through and choose black. This black. Good. Now we go to a place we call opacity. I've taught opacity. It is to reduce the brightness or the deepness of an object or color. Opacity. Opacity. I do it small to see my P. I'm doing that just to see the P. Can you see the P? See the P is there. So I'll increase it again. So now what I'll do is that I'll come to the plus sign again and select shapes. I come and tap here and select circle again. So I open it. Can you see it? Good. Find the correct sign. Now I'll go to the relative position and position it well. Always don't joke. I've done the first one, the second one. So now I see it. So you see that it's placed very well. So now what I'm going to do is that I will tap on this icon, this one. So when I tap on the icon, see the P is there, the two circles are also there. So you come and select this one. Select this icon. Because we are going to merge. After selecting this icon, you see there are now some boxes in front of the two circles in the P. So check the two circles. We are going to merge the two circles. After checking the two circles, you come and select this one, this third icon. 1, 2, the third one. Select that one. Confirmation. Are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? You click OK. So you see that it has become one. Now P is there and the two circles have become one circle. So to let this thing disappear, you have to come and tap on this one or select this one again. So you select it for it to go away. So now I've merged them. So I'll go to a place we call erase color. So when I see erase color, I see this one, erase color. So I'll tap on it, enable it. You see, enable it. So now as I enable it, look at it. Okay. It's gone. Can you see that that white shape is gone? So now look at what I'm going to do again. So anytime that you do this merging, I'll go to the plus sign again, select another shape. This time this shape is okay. This time this shape is okay. So mark the correct sign. Then I'll go and change the color of the shape to black, the same black. You see, then I'll reduce this one into one side. How's it? I reduce into one side of the big circle. It's there. Can you see why there is there? Reduce it inside there. Then I'll tap on the correct sign. Then I'll come and tap on this one. Now you see, now my P is here. Then the circle I merge is here. That small shape, rectangle, look at it. That is the one that you see, the first one. That is the one there. So I will select this one again. I'm going to merge them. Select this one again. I'll select the third one. 1, 2, the third one. Tap on the, okay, sorry. I have to select this one and this. Select the circle and then the rectangular shape I put inside that black one, two of them. Now I come and tap on the third icon. Then merge. Okay. Go to OK. Now, so the center has now changed to what? Now the white have disappeared from there, right? So I come and tap on this for it to go away. Good. So now you go and give it color. Give the circle color. Go and look for color. Color. Enable. Good. So I think to me this is good for the circle. This color is good. Then I'll now go and type here again and say the P. The P. You can tap here and tap on the P. So you see that the P is selected here. The reason why I went there was that if I mean to tap here, when you tap here, it is the circle. You see the circle that's highlighted, the circle. Oh, sorry. I've removed the color. Let me put the color again. Enabled. So here, if you want to tap on it, the circle will be highlighted because now the P is under the circle, right? So I have to go here and select the P from the back here. So now the P is selected. Look at it highlighted. If you also want to, now that it's highlighted this way, the P is now a text. So you come to A and tap on what? To front. So now the P is in front. How is it? Sorry. Come here. Let me go and select the P again. Okay, select the P. I've locked it, that's why. Okay, I've now opened it. So P. I select the P. I'll come here to front. So now in the front. So now if I tap, you see, it's now the P. So now the P has come in front. So let me go and place the P well again because I've shifted it. So now it is well placed. So let me increase the P small. Let it fill the shape, but don't let it touch it. Don't let it touch the other shapes. So now I'm done. So look at what I'm going to do. I'll select the P again. Then go here. See what I'm going to look for. Texture. Look at texture. You tap on texture. So this is what will appear. When this appears, no texture selected. You tap on this one. I was in this one. Tap on it. It will take you straight to your gallery. So you are going to select the texture. You will know what texture is. So you select the texture. Good. So I'm going to select the texture. I'll send it to you, don't worry. So I'll select this texture, this one. The texture, this thing, this is called texture. So I'll crop away this part, this writing, I'll crop it away. I don't want it to appear there. So now you see it. So that color has come into the P. Then now you come down here, you see scale. You'll be moving it to anyhow you want it. So if I look at this, look at it. So as you're moving it, it's changing to different styles. So now I want this. You got this one too. We have this one too. So I want this. So this is okay for me. Good. Check the correct sign. How isn't it? So now you see it's nice. So what you do is that now you tap on this one and now merge. Come down here. Tap on this symbol here. You now know how to merge. Tap on this one. And then you check the two of them. The P. Now I'm merging the P and then the circle. Then I come and select the third one. Then I'll go to OK. So now you see, they have become one. So now if I move it, they have become what? One.